Have you ever tried to install a high-performance habit and failed? Maybe you did 21 days straight like all the textbooks say you should and still failed to have this new habit installed. Well, the first thing to say is that it ain't your fault because the information you're being given is incorrect. So the tool I'm going to teach you in a second is called 100 Dirty Reps, and it's based on a psychological principle called a positive addiction. So what is a positive addiction? A positive addiction is a way of installing a behavior that you wish to install that will help you upgrade your identity rather than lower your identity, as a negative addiction would and can do. So 100 dirty reps, getting back to 100 dirty reps, it's really simple. I'm doing 100 dirty reps with these videos. What the game that I'm playing is every single day for 100 days straight, I'm going to shoot an uncut, raw video and upload it straight onto LinkedIn without watching it back and seeing if it worked or not. That's the game I'm playing. Now, yesterday I wasn't really in the mood to play 100 dirty reps, and I'm a few days in now and I've been loving it, but I wasn't in the mood. So I decided that, okay, I'm not in the mood, so today I'm going to shoot 3 videos and upload them to LinkedIn with uncut and without testing them. Now here's the game. If I didn't do that, and if I didn't shoot the video, I skipped a dirty rep for one of the days, I go back, the clock sets back to 0 and I have to start my 100 dirty reps again. We want to build that muscle up, yeah? Hence the rep thing, like if you're in the gym, you're building the gym. So why is it 100 days and why not 21 days? Well, the reason for that is this, is that what we know from all of the research now is that it actually takes 3 cycles of 21 days to build a habit. It takes about 63 to 66 days to build a habit. So I thought, well, 66 dirty reps doesn't sound that cool, but 100 dirty reps does, and heroes go further. So if you want to go further, if you want to be a hero, do 100 dirty reps and install that behavior that you wish to install that will upgrade your identity and be something that over time, after 100 days, will become super fucking easy. Now here's the great thing, what I love about 100 dirty reps in the game I'm playing. At the end of 100 days, I'll have 100 pieces of content. Or if I decide I don't want to shoot on those days and I then go, oh shit, okay, I don't want to shoot, therefore I'm going to shoot 3, by the end of 100 days I'll have 300 pieces of content. Why do I want to create content? Because I want to help rid the internet of all this psychological misinformation and bullshit that's going around. I hope these help.